Two great ships were sailing across the sea one quiet night. Far ahead, each saw the other's light. The captain sent messages, "Make way," "Change course," but neither captain would yield. One thought, "I'm the stronger vessel, I should not move." The other thought, "If I turn first, it shows weakness." And so, fueled by pride and ego, both ships pressed forward, closer and closer, until finally, they collided. The crash tore into their hulls, water flooded the decks, and both ships were badly damaged. Later, sailors reflected, if only one had humbled himself, if only one had been kind enough to turn aside, both would have been saved. Instead, their stubbornness brought ruin to both. This simple story reminds us, pride may feel powerful, but it leads to destruction. Humility, patience, and kindness, though they may look like weakness, are in truth the strongest choices we can make. When we let go of ego, we not only save ourselves but also those around us.